Hey, everyone! If you're looking for a 100% working Godaddy coupon code, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to find the latest Godaddy discount code so you can save the maximum amount on your purchase. First, open any browser like Google Chrome and search for asapcouponcode.com. Make sure not to do any spelling mistake while searching this website. Now you will see this website on top of search result. Open it and click on the search bar at top right corner and search Godaddy and click on it. Here you will get all the latest and verified Godaddy coupon codes. Now choose Best Plan and click on Get Code button and you will get the coupon code. Copy it and use it on checkout. I am not showing you the coupon code in video because Godaddy used to change their coupons and discount codes time to time. So, whenever you are watching this video, just go to this website. You'll always get the most recent and working Godaddy coupon codes, no matter when you're watching this video. If this video helped you save money, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.